Yeah. Sorry, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low. So we should probably just be homies.
Trust me, I didn't even say that.
You better stop!
You have maps.
Bro, oh, I do have maps! Bo is in love with a woman, a female, named Kaylee. Leaks. What do you have to say about Kaylee?
Jedi Rocco is in love with a girl named Yuri, and she's black.
Bro, you're so mean. Better stop.
Get leaked.
Okay. Get leaked.
She doesn't like you.
I'm weak. Excuse me?
Exactly. She'll.
Excuse me, bitch? With my what now? Sorry, the hot boy.
Huh?
Exactly, boy!
But you want
you want this smoke, but you don't want this. JK, bro.
Huh?
I'm playing, bro. Chill. I'm gonna pull down, not pull up. Whoa, okay!
Oh, heck no, boy. I just seen him break a tree, too. Rocco!
Oh, am I alive?
Yes!
I was laying down.
Alright, anarchy then.
Yep. I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Anarchy?
Yes, sir.
Did you say anarchy?
Yep. Anarchy. Whoa, bro, I'm retarded.
But we trying to drop out, you already know what in the hell?
Bro, this man Rocco, bro. His sister cute. Yo, chill, yo. I ain't trying to catch no case, bro. Stop. But like, for real, this man Rocco, though, man. Ugh. He's like really cute in real life, bro. No homo, socks on, you feel me? But like, hold up, y'all. You know? That's how we do. Up in this motherfucker. Boy, if you don't get your... Let me reboot my teammate stuff out of here.
Yeah, I'm fighting. Go revolver gang.
Stay up there. And there's a pump that you can get, but just...
We're staying in the skies. All I have is a scope revolver.
I almost knocked this team.
I'm in a flank.
Yeah, that team right there that you're on.
Let's go.
Little flick shot though. 2 HP clutch.
You good? Coming.
I'm fine right now. Just don't blow my cover.
Just don't blow my cover.
I need some loot, bro. Let me get this one.
Okay, that's all yours.
He had a team.
My stairs are cheated.
Come in with him.
Right? The bush? Box him? Go. I'm glitching. What is this?
I'm on these two people right now. If you can like hurry up and have that thing.
Hold on. There's another team on me. There's another team behind me. Right there? People in the box? Are we pressuring them?
No!
Excuse me, game? Got both of them? Nice, Aiden. Oops, I got some. There's a kid there if you want it.
Build for me, please. Alright, let him break it, Hit him for 150. I'm on the wrestler. I hit him for 150, so he's either.
Oof.
Well, he's like really low at least.
Like I really couldn't make it.
All right, just hit the hoverboard.
There's a whole squad coming to it. You guys here. I'm coming! I'm all the way at the bottom. Shooting one down?
I know the wrestler's like really low.
Shot one down? Knocked one?
He's up! Shoot! Rock-0! Shoot! Oh my God! What are you doing?
I'm getting your card.
Yeah, sorry, but he has a freaking rift. Yes. Oh my God! I had good food. Now I'm gonna have now with a pistol.
There's one over here though too.
Yeah, but there's people over that way. Oh God. Oh. Don't go for it. I mean,
they're balling up.
Try not to see seen. Try not to get seen.
Oh my God.
Don't go for it. Try to go for me. There better be a shotgun over here, bro. I swear. Shot, snipe. But that was so like bad and low.
There's loot over here. There's loot and stuff. Like a lot.
Do you have any shotgun ammo? Any AR?
Yeah, oh, for sure. AR and shotgun for sure.
I don't know why I just like died right there. I should have built, but whatever.
Fuck, I can't drop shit.
Yo, what?
Like half of it. Oops, my B. What do you mean like that?
There's mushrooms everywhere.
Well, we can't get you. I only have 3 kills. People here,
Wait for me, hold on.
They're like
coming. You.
He has a teammate. Oh my gosh. And his teammate is like, alright, I didn't know.
What are you?
I should take my ball back. You fudging cuck.
But you did get shield though. I'm not gonna take it like that, but.
Ooh, gang. No! Aiden!
No! I accidentally hit it.
Aiden!
Oh my god, there's some guy shooting at it. Bro, he's actually retarded.
Look at my guy who was shooting at it. Oh my god, I'm so weak.
Oh!
What happened?
I just like 150'd him, bro.
Whoa, yeah.
Help me, Rock-0! He's gonna end! Shoot it! Oh, whatever, bro. No! Why am I playing so bad? Just go in there. He's like very low. Just shoot it with your SMG. No, your SMG. There you go. There you go, Rock-0. Win it for me. I'm so trash, bro.
Nope, the solo's gonna win.
Playing like I'm such a bot, bro. My bad. Do you have traps? I can't see if you have traps or not. Just turtle in. Don't go in the circle at least. So ugly son. Turtle, you fudging idiot. Shoot him, keep letting him spam and then shoot. Boom, you! Rock-0, why are you choking? Kill him. Break it, don't let him in. Put a triangle or a pyramid. No, why?
What's he doing? Why is he rolling?
Block every side!
What the heck is he doing? Let's go!
Still carried you though.
So mean.
I'm just fun with you. Good win though.